According to the National Electrical Code, a dishwasher circuit cannot leave the kitchen or dining area. This is because dishwashers require a dedicated 20-amp circuit, and the NEC requires that dedicated circuits for appliances remain within the room they serve. The dishwasher circuit must be a dedicated 20-amp circuit, ground fault circuit, interrupter protected. The circuit must originate from the electrical panel and must not be shared with any other appliances or outlets. The circuit must be installed with 12-gauge wire. The circuit must be properly grounded and bonded. This requirement is in place for several reasons. Firstly, safety is a crucial factor aiming to prevent electrical overloads and potential fire hazards. Secondly, proper operation is ensured, guaranteeing that the dishwasher receives the necessary power to operate effectively. Thirdly, code compliance is maintained, meeting the requirements of the NEC and local building codes. It is possible that the inspector overlooked the violation during the inspection. It is also possible that the dishwasher was installed after the home was built and inspected. The recommended action is that the dishwasher should be rewired to a dedicated circuit in the kitchen or dining area. The circuit should be ground fault circuit, interrupter protected, and installed according to the NEC. It is advisable to have a licensed electrician perform the work to ensure safety and code compliance. To elaborate on the NEC requirements, let's delve into the specific sections that address dishwasher circuits. Although the answer does not specify particular sections, it is pertinent to highlight the relevant articles. Generally, Article 422(31) covers the disconnecting means for appliances, which is relevant to the dishwasher. Additionally, Article 210 covers branch circuits, and within that, specific sections discuss kitchen circuits. Article 210.11 C1 addresses small appliance branch circuits that are required in kitchens. These circuits are intended to serve countertop and receptacle outlets, and while a dishwasher does not typically connect to these, the general requirements for kitchen circuits are important to understand. Furthermore, Article 210.8 discusses ground fault circuit interrupter protection, which is a crucial safety measure for dishwasher circuits. To expand on the safety aspect, ground fault circuit interrupters are essential because dishwashers use water and electricity in close proximity. A ground fault circuit interrupter detects even small imbalances in current, indicating a potential shock hazard, and quickly cuts off the power to prevent injury. The 20-amp dedicated circuit requirement ensures that the dishwasher has enough power to run without tripping the breaker. Dishwashers often have heating elements for drying, which can draw a significant amount of current. Sharing the circuit with other appliances could overload the circuit, leading to nuisance tripping or, in more severe cases, overheating and fire. The use of 12-gauge wire is also a critical safety measure. The larger wire gauge can handle the 20-amp current load without overheating, while smaller gauge wire might not be able to handle the current safely. Proper grounding and bonding are essential to provide a safe path for fault current to return to the source, tripping the breaker and preventing electrical shock. The grounding system connects all metal parts of the appliance to the grounding electrode system, ensuring that any fault current will be safely conducted away. Regarding the installation process, it is important to follow the NEC guidelines carefully. The circuit breaker in the electrical panel must be correctly sized for the 20-amp circuit, and the wiring must be properly connected to the breaker and the receptacle. All connections must be tight and secure to prevent loose connections, which can cause arcing and overheating. When selecting a receptacle for the dishwasher, it must be rated for the voltage and amperage of the appliance. A standard 15-amp receptacle is not suitable for a 20-amp circuit. The receptacle should also be properly grounded and securely mounted. It is highly recommended that a licensed electrician perform the installation or rewiring of a dishwasher circuit. Electricians have the training, experience, and tools to ensure that the work is done safely and correctly. They can also identify any other potential electrical hazards in the home and recommend appropriate solutions. When hiring an electrician, it is important to verify their credentials and ensure that they are licensed and insured. Ask for references and check online reviews to get an idea of their reputation and quality of work. The cost of rewiring a dishwasher circuit can vary depending on the complexity of the job and the location. It is advisable to get multiple quotes from different electricians before making a decision. The quote should include the cost of materials, labor, and any necessary permits. In addition to the NEC requirements, local building codes may also have specific regulations regarding dishwasher circuits. It is important to check with the local building department to ensure that the installation complies with all applicable codes. Failing to comply with building codes can result in fines and penalties, as well as potential safety hazards. To further elaborate on the reasons why a dishwasher circuit should not leave the kitchen or dining area, it is essential to understand the concept of circuit loading. Electrical circuits are designed to handle a specific amount of current, and exceeding that limit can lead to problems. When a dishwasher is connected to a circuit outside the kitchen, it is more likely to share the circuit with other appliances and devices. This can increase the overall load on the circuit and potentially cause it to overload. An overloaded circuit can trip the breaker, causing inconvenience and potentially damaging appliances. In more serious cases, it can cause the wiring to overheat, leading to a fire. The NEC requirement that dedicated appliance circuits remain within the room they serve is intended to prevent this type of overloading. By limiting the number of appliances and devices that can be connected to a single circuit, the NEC helps to ensure that the circuit does not become overloaded. In addition to overloading, sharing a circuit with other appliances can also cause voltage drops. When a large appliance like a dishwasher starts up, it draws a significant amount of current. This can cause the voltage in the circuit to drop, which can affect the performance of other appliances connected to the same circuit. A voltage drop can cause lights to dim, motors to run slower, and electronic devices to malfunction. By having a dedicated circuit, the dishwasher is less likely to cause voltage drops that affect other appliances. Moreover, the ground fault circuit interrupter protection is particularly crucial in kitchens and bathrooms because of the presence of water. Water is a good conductor of electricity, and even a small amount of moisture can create a path for electricity to flow through the body. This can result in a severe electric shock, which can be fatal. Ground fault circuit interrupters are designed to detect these small imbalances in current and quickly cut off the power, preventing electric shock. In the case of a dishwasher, water can easily spill or leak, creating a potential shock hazard. A ground fault circuit interrupter protected circuit can significantly reduce the risk of electric shock in this situation. Regarding the inspection process, it is possible that the inspector overlooked the violation during the initial inspection of the home. Inspectors are human, and they can sometimes miss things, especially if the wiring is concealed or difficult to access. It is also possible that the dishwasher was installed after the home was built and inspected. In this case, the homeowner or contractor may not have been aware of the NEC requirements for dishwasher circuits. Regardless of how the violation occurred, it is important to correct it as soon as possible to ensure the safety of the home and its occupants. The process of rewiring a dishwasher circuit typically involves several steps. Firstly, the electrician will need to locate the existing circuit that the dishwasher is connected to. They will then need to trace the wiring back to the electrical panel to determine where it originates. Once they have located the existing circuit, they will need to install a new dedicated 20-amp circuit from the electrical panel to the kitchen or dining area. This will involve running new wiring through the walls or ceiling and installing a new receptacle for the dishwasher. The electrician will also need to install a new circuit breaker in the electrical panel for the new circuit. The new circuit breaker should be properly sized for the 20-amp circuit and should be clearly labeled. After the new circuit is installed, the electrician will need to disconnect the dishwasher from the existing circuit and connect it to the new dedicated circuit. They will also need to test the new circuit to ensure that it is working properly and that it is properly grounded. Once the rewiring is complete, the electrician should provide the homeowner with a certificate of compliance, which documents that the work was performed according to the NEC and local building codes. The certificate of compliance may be required for insurance purposes or for future real estate transactions. In addition to the electrical aspects, it is also important to consider the plumbing connections for the dishwasher. The dishwasher needs to be connected to a water supply line and a drain line. These connections should be made according to the manufacturer's instructions and should be properly sealed to prevent leaks. It is also important to ensure that the drain line has an air gap to prevent backflow of wastewater into the dishwasher. The air gap is a small device that is installed in the drain line above the sink or countertop. It allows air to enter the drain line, preventing a vacuum from forming and potentially drawing wastewater back into the dishwasher. When installing a new dishwasher, it is also important to consider the placement of the appliance. The dishwasher should be installed in a location that is convenient to use and that is close to the sink. It should also be installed on a level surface to prevent it from rocking or vibrating during operation. The dishwasher should also be properly secured to the countertop or cabinets to prevent it from tipping over. To reiterate, the importance of using a licensed electrician cannot be overstated. Electrical work can be dangerous, and it is important to have the skills and knowledge to perform it safely. Licensed electricians have undergone extensive training and have passed exams to demonstrate their competence. They are also required to stay up to date on the latest electrical codes and safety standards. Hiring a licensed electrician can help to ensure that the work is done correctly and safely, and that the home is protected from electrical hazards. In summary, a dishwasher circuit should be a dedicated 20 amp ground fault circuit interrupter protected circuit that remains within the kitchen or dining area. This requirement is in place for safety reasons, to ensure proper operation of the dishwasher and to comply with the NEC and local building codes. If a dishwasher is found to be wired outside the kitchen, it should be rewired to a dedicated circuit by a licensed electrician. Following these guidelines can help to ensure the safety and functionality of the electrical system. Furthermore, remember to always disconnect power at the breaker panel before working on any electrical circuits. Use appropriate personal protective equipment, such as insulated gloves and safety glasses. If you are unsure about any aspect of electrical work, consult with a qualified electrician.